Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll give you 3 reasons why the Huawei MatePad 10.4 is a tablet that I just can't live without. And stay till the end of this video as I'll show you all how to get the tablet to work with Google Drive and Google Meet as well. So keep watching. But first, let's go through the unboxing process. Now the box comes in white with the Huawei logo on the top right, Huawei MatePad in the middle, and Explore It on the app gallery towards the bottom right. Opening the box, you'll immediately see the tablet inside. Below that, towards the right, there is a box which has a SIM ejector pin on the outside. Then inside, there's a user guide and manual, a USB-C to 3.5mm headphones dongle, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Then the left side compartment box, you'll find a 22.5 watt supercharging brick. Now the first reason would be the overall specs of the tablet. Now the Huawei MatePad 10.4 comes with the Kirin 820 chipset. It has 4GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, and what's nice is that it can expand up to 512GB through the micro SD card slot expansion, and it comes shipped with Android version 10. With EMUI version 10.1 skin, it has 4 Harman Kardon speakers with Huawei's Histon version 6.1 with 3D surround sound support, and it has Wi-Fi 6 connectivity together with a massive 7260 mAh of battery. So yes, it is truly a tablet that will give you flagship level experience but with a super affordable price. And speaking of the price, this tablet is hands down the biggest storage available tablet below a price of 1,500 ringgit. Yep, which I'll let you guys know the exact price later. So with that, there's no worries about storing all of your work documents, photos, videos, and all of your favorite apps without worrying about constantly deleting stuff on the tablet in order to store more stuff on the tablet. And finally, with the Kirin 820 7nm chipset, you'll find that you can play games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG Mobile without any lag or any jittering issues as well, which was really sweet. And as for the second reason is of course this stunning 2K full view display. Now the MatePad 10.4 comes with a 10.4-inch 2K full view display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels with an 84% screen to body ratio, and with that high resolution, not only you can see a sharper screen when it comes to watching videos, and not to mention this amazing Harman Kardon speakers too, but of course this means that you can have an easier working experience, especially when viewing text documents, and tablets within this price range tend to make me do this when it comes to looking at the screen, and that is surely not the case on the MatePad 10.4. And I find that the 16:9 aspect ratio is really great when it comes to multitasking, where you can easily split the screen into a perfect half and do multitasking work as well. And of course, through the multi-screen collaboration, which I've mentioned many times here in this channel, with your Huawei smartphone for seamless transferring of files between both devices was also a really great feature. And as for the third reason would be its blazing fast Wi-Fi speeds. Now, since the tablet comes with Wi-Fi 6 support as mentioned earlier in the specs, this means that pairing it with the Huawei AX3 is a match made in heaven to get really fast internet speeds. And with this, it clearly means that you can say bye-bye to online video buffering or even downloading apps in the Huawei app gallery as well. So as mentioned earlier, that one bonus reason which I've managed to find out is that for those of you who would like to access Google Meet or Google Drive, it is super simple, so let's check it out. First, you'll need to open up the Huawei browser at the top right menu, then head to desktop site. Next, search for Google Meet or Google Drive. Logging accordingly, and voila, simple, eh? And with this, you'll have no worries to do any online video calls with your friends, family, colleagues, or even if you're a student doing online classes using Google Meet. And just like me, if you have a Google Drive storage account, you can easily share your media files and access them through this method. By the way, did you all know that Huawei has a cloud service called Huawei Cloud? Do check it out, guys. So, what's the price of this tablet? Well, believe it or not, the Huawei MatePad 10.4 is going for a very affordable price of only 1,499 ringgit with the biggest storage option of 128 gigabytes, which makes this the biggest storage tablet under 1,500 ringgit compared to any other tablets out right now. Now what's extra sweet is that Huawei is giving free gift up to 655 ringgit, which includes the keyboard cover and also an entertainment gift pack while stocks last, where the tablet will be available on the 20th of March onwards. And just so you all know that the Huawei Wi-Fi AX3 dual-core Wi-Fi 6 will be coming really soon with another crazy price of only 199 ringgit. So with this, the Huawei MatePad 10.4 really seems like it's a tablet that I personally wouldn't be able to live without. But do let me know what your thoughts are at the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.